Hubert is pleased to extend its best-in-industry customer service to our full line of commercial equipment products. Through research and ongoing customer insights, we've added an array of competitive advantages which you can't find anywhere else. Hubert has 3 solutions to help you find the right product. First is our industry-specific equipment sales and customer service representatives. They are dedicated to understanding your needs and provide the best solution possible. Second is the Hubert website that makes searching and comparing products easy with our product comparison tool. Third is Equip, an interactive survey that helps customize your business needs based on a few simple questions. When it comes to delivery, let us take care of the heavy lifting by taking advantage of our liftgate and white glove services. With over 75 years of service, Hubert is committed to providing you a high-level service to meet all of your large equipment needs. The Hubert Company, making life better for our customers.